Hey, this is Elliot from Victory Charts. It is October 26th at about 8 in the morning, and I'm trying to get short the euro here. Markets are pretty quiet so far. Just targeting this lower zone for a small profit, and we'll see what we can get. Alright, so I got short euro here. It's moving pretty slow, but hope it can just come down here and just touch this profit target. Like I said, it's pretty slow day so far, so I'm not expecting crazy price action here. Setting up a gold trade here. Trying to take a break of this zone and just targeting a 1272 extension because there's really nothing else close by here. So the euro pulled back here, and now it's trying to re-break those lows, and hopefully if it can break those lows, we'll just hit this target. So the euro is not really doing much here, just got long bonds on a break of this zone, targeting this 3 ATR level. Alright, so bonds are working pretty good here. Euro not so much. So getting close to the target here. Just one more tick. Alright, so one more tick till the target. Euro's still hanging out here. Alright, so there's the target on the bonds. So this euro trade is just not really working. I may just scratch it here. Setting up a short order here in crude on a break of major support. This support's actually big support on a 60-minute chart also, so hoping to see a big move out of it, but if not, just see what we get. Got my stop here, or my target, at a psychological level. So it's getting ready to break. Working a long trade here in gold, a break of this zone, and just targeting a 1272 extension. Trying to set up a short here in crude, breaking major support, and we'll see what we can get here. Looking to add a contract here on crude at a break of this level, and I'll take my first target right around the psychological level. Alright, so getting ready to get filled on the second contract. I got a target down here at 44. Alright, so I just got filled on the second one. I'm not sure what happened there. I don't know if my target got hit on that one. That was pretty fast. And now I've got a runner here. Just got filled on a bonds trade targeting this upper zone here. And I still got that crude, the second contract running, and we'll see what we get out of that thing. So I trail my stop here on crude, top of this bar, and not really risking much on this now. Alright, so crude's testing these lows, and the bonds are still working. You can see them here. I'm up 30 bucks on them, and I'm hoping crude can have a big breakdown here, because like I said, this is a major breakdown on the hourly chart. So we'll see what we get. Alright, so this crude trade's working, bonds trade not so much. Just hoping this crude trade will work out and it'll cover the loss for the bond trade if it does stop me out. Alright, so we're getting ready to break down here. And we can see there's 150 contracts at this level, so if it breaks it should have a fairly large move. Alright, so it's testing this 45 or 43.95 level. Bonds are still, they're getting close to my stop. Alright, so all of a sudden the bonds started moving. Crude's moving, so that's good, and gold's getting ready to take off here. I got an order working over there. So I'm not sure if news was just released or not, but I got an order working on gold here at the top of this zone, just targeting a 1272. And crude kind of slowed down there a little bit. I'm gonna go to break even here actually, because I'm not sure what news just hit, but it doesn't look good.
Order
Alright, so I stopped on crude. Bonds are not really moving much anymore. I'm getting ready to get filled on gold. Alright, so just got filled on gold here. It's moving pretty fast. Risking a little bit here. we'll see what we get. The bonds slowed down all of a sudden. They got a nice pop and then nothing. Alright, so gold is moving here. I'm just looking for a 1272. Move it down a little bit more for the ATR line. And bonds are not doing good again. Alright, so we can see 123 contracts up here at the 70 level. If it can break through that, that should be good. Bonds are really making me sad here, not really moving. Bonds are trying to get past high of the day here, hoping they can get up to 10-30 seconds and reach my profit target. Alright, so they just broke the high there. Now I'm just waiting on gold to get moving. It's kind of flopping around, not really doing much here. So bonds are having a nice little move here, trying to break this high. Gold is still stalling. So about to get stopped on gold here. A few ticks away from that. And I'm still letting the bonds work so far, but they're kind of backing off. So we'll see what we can get here. So I actually ended up break even after those two trades, the bonds trade and the gold trade. Kind of a shame, but you know what happens. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.